Struggling with truck loading? Let's uncover the common pitfall. Are you facing issues with space optimization and balance? Loading a truck isn't just about tossing boxes in, it's a science and an art. Without a proper layout, you're bound to face issues. Misplacing heavy items can lead to instability. This can cause tipping and unsafe driving conditions, and failing to fill gaps properly leads to uneven weight distribution. This can cause axle overload and damage. And don't forget the light stuff. Incorrect placement can crush delicate items. Think of your truck as a puzzle. Not using every inch of space wisely leads to inefficiency. Improper stacking and securing are major issues. Without straps, items can shift and cause damage. Remember, a poorly loaded truck means more trips, wasting time and money. Plus, unbalanced loads make for dangerous driving.
Today, I, on behalf of DocOps team, will be presenting our business idea for Walmart Sparkathon 2024 under the theme of supply chain and logistics. So, warehouse management operations have to undergo a lot of paperwork and documentation, managing the incoming and outgoing of packages and trailers into the warehouse. They also have to allocate proper trailers for transportation of goods and do a lot of documentation and paperwork around them. But all these are based on an assumption that the planned packages will fit into the given trailer. And when the loading operation starts, after applying uncountable permutations, we may find out that the given packages cannot fit into the given space. Or even if they fit, the weights will not be balanced on the axles of the truck, which is a risky operation. Due to these issues, we might need to reiterate on the last minute, and this can lead to reversals of packages to the inventory, which can disrupt the supply chain timelines. Also, it can cause problems in forecasting, as we have predicted the expected delivery date, and due to the reversal, we may not be able to fulfill it, which can lead to client dissatisfaction. Additional challenges we face are we will need extra amount of trucks to transport the same amount of goods if we place them in an unspace optimized manner, and maybe due to unbalanced weight on the axles, there is a potential threat to the life of the individual carrying out the transportation as well as to the goods and the trailer. And we might lose package visibility also due to last minute reiterations. We may lose the visibility of the package in the transportation network. Also, while during the loading operations, we lack a senior oversight and approval system for the placement of packages in the trucks, which can lead to compromise and unoptimized placement of packages. With SWP, we aim to transform the logistics operations and address all the given challenges with this smart Walmart packager. We have integrated several features into our application, which include the manager module. The module is used to track all the packages and trucks entering and leaving the warehouse, capturing all the detailed information required for logistics paperwork as well as for our calculations for placing them in the truck. We have a visualizer tool which creates a 3D design of the relevant packages mapped to the destination of the arriving truck, placed in that truck and given to us with a proper coordinate system, which can be used to place the boxes in the given trailer. We have an approval system from a senior faculty member like the senior logistics architect, which can view the approval for the given truck and can choose to approve it or reject it. Based on the approval, the shipper can start the loading process. We have an allocator service in our manager module, which after the approval from senior manager, we allocate the given product in the design to the truck and we mark them as allocated, so it can also aid in forecasting. Now let's head over to the smart Walmart packager prototype which we have curated. So this is the smart Walmart packager hosted on AWS Elastic Container Service. This is the manager module. Whenever a package arrives into the warehouse, we capture all the volumetric parameters, the weight and other logistics details to support the paperwork and documentation. We also have the status and allocation for the package. Now we have a way to manage all the trucks into our dock, so we can see all the trucks that are parked into the dock, and we also have a onboarding procedure for the trucks. While onboarding, we capture basic details of the truck, the dimensional parameters, the weight ratings like the tare weight, gross volume weight rating, wheel load capacity. We also capture the number of axles and and how much weight each can hold. We capture the group weight ratings of each of the axles. Now, For the given truck, we can utilize this data to create a 3D visualization with the help of our visualizer microservice. So if we hit on the visualize button, we get a 3D model of the relevant packages placed in the truck and in a most space optimized way, and also we have balanced weight on each of the axles for the given truck. There were 3 axles and all have weight below the weight constraint they have. We can interact with this model in any manner, and we can analyze the placement of packages, and then after analyzing we can ask for approval for this particular arrangement from a senior faculty member. So now we have a pending approval request. So now a senior faculty member can head on to the admin panel like the senior architect, enter his password, and now we can see the admin dashboard where we have access to all the tables like the approvals, the packages in the inventory, the trucks and users, and also the background tasks that are running in our manager app. We can head on to approvals and see there is a pending approval request for a given truck. We can view the visualization here, which was created by our microservice. The senior faculty member can do their analysis, and after their analysis they can either choose to approve or reject the given visualization. So now let's head on and approve. So we have approved the visualization. Now the smart Walmart packager, we must be having the status as approved, and now the shipper can start the onboarding process for this particular design. In the smart Walmart packager, we also have a allocator service. Like the given packages which were there in the design, they are being marked as allocated to Volvo FH16, which can also let us analyze that now which destination trucks we require next to send to distribution centers. For the technical architecture, we have a microservice based architecture, and we have used Docker to containerize our application. With Docker, we can smartly containerize all the microservices and build them with a single command, that is docker compose, the name of the config file, and build. This will start building images of all the microservices into our Docker container, and after the build is complete, we can simply run all the containers with a single command and manage them synchronously within a single network. Now as you can see, all the containers like for our database, the backend visualizer and other background tasks, they have been created and we can view their logs. Now coming to the benefits and future aspects of our application, SWP will provide a clear ground for supporting business decisions and logistics operations. SWP will also aim to increase the forecast accuracy, as we will know beforehand and we can be assured that these packages will be carried over by the truck. We will also increase package visibility, as we will know which part of the trailer the package is being carried, and we can integrate IoT sensors for package health monitoring. And in case of potential damage, we can beforehand predict that these potential packages are damaged and we can start a dispatch of them without having to check them in the trailer. With SWP, we also aim to automate the process of loading the trucks, because now we have a given design, but we can introduce robotics and we can integrate robots with our design and feed them the coordinates of each package. They can utilize this design to place the packages into the trailers, as these designs are pre-approved by a senior member, so there will be no chance of oversight or lacking any reliability. Thanks for bearing with me and listening to this demonstration. Don't hesitate to ask any questions. You can reach out to us in the comment section or directly through LinkedIn. And I encourage you to watch the upcoming clip, which also depicts the future vision of our application.
Hey, logistics pros! Imagine this, a warehouse buzzing with futuristic robots and drones, seamlessly loading trucks with pinpoint accuracy. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, welcome to the future with Walmart's Smart Packager. The Smart Packager is revolutionizing the way we handle logistics. Imagine an app that generates a 3D design for loading your trucks. It's not just any design, it's pre-approved by a senior logistics architect. ensuring optimal space usage and balanced weight distribution. That's right, no more guesswork. Once the plan is set, our army of robots springs into action. These high-tech machines follow the 3D blueprint to the letter, placing each box in the trailer with surgical precision. And guess what? This isn't just about speed, it's about maximizing efficiency and reducing human error, but we're not stopping there. Knowing the exact placement of every package opens up a world of possibilities. Think IoT sensors. Each package can be equipped with sensors to monitor its health throughout the journey. Got a fragile item? No problem. The sensors keep an eye on it, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. This isn't just a dream, it's the next big leap in logistics. By leveraging advanced algorithms and robotics, Walmart's smart packager is setting a new standard for the industry. Imagine the savings in time and cost. More importantly, think about the enhanced reliability and customer satisfaction. Picture this, a seamless operation where every package is accounted for, every truck is loaded to perfection, and every delivery is tracked in real time. This is the future of logistics. This is the power of Walmart's smart packager and robotics combined. So are you ready to embrace the future? Stay ahead of the curve, streamline your operations, and redefine what's possible in logistics. The future is here, and it's smarter than ever. Thanks for watching.